Welcome to my channel. My channel name is English Knowledge by Sushma Jadhav. Today I am teaching you tense. What is tense? We are doing a action. This action, what time you doing this action? There are main three types. Tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. They are also divided into four types: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Simple present, simple past and simple future. Then present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Then present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. They are main three types and they are also divided into four types. Present also divided four types, past also divided into four types and future also divided into four types. First of all, we are learning a simple present tense. You use a subject. After subject, you are using a verb in a first form. Then use a object. Means what time use verb first form and yes when you are using subject in a third person singular subject. Third person singular subject means he when use he, she, it and anything names. This time use verb yes and yes. And when use plural subject means they, you, we and I also. This time use verb in a first form. After this subject, after this verb we are using object. I give you one example. I write a letter. When use I means plural subject, I is a exceptional. When use I, this time use in a verb in a first form. I write a letter. This is a first form. And then he when use third person singular subject, this time use verb in yes and yes form. He writes a letter. She writes a letter. Ria writes a letter. Ria buys a car. These are more example. Then we are learning second simple past tense. In this structure, we are using first of all subject, then V2 means write second form, wrote third form, written. We are using in this tense, simple past tense, we are using a verb in a second form. First of all subject, then we are using verb in a second form, then object. We are using subject. He, she, singular and plural subject also we are using second form. This is the most important tense because in this simple past tense second form. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. She bought a car. She played a cricket means played second form. We are using in this tense simple past tense we are using verb in a second form. Then we are learning in future simple future tense. First of all we are using subject, then will, then verb use in a first form, then use object means I will write a letter. Verb in a first form, I will write a letter. She will buy a car. He will play a cricket. First of all use in this sentence we are using singular subject and plural subject. This time use will, then verb in a first form, then we are using object. After present continuous, this in this present continuous, past continuous and future continuous, in this tense we are using verb in a fourth form, means verb first verb in a first form, then using after verb we are using ing form. First of all first of all we are using we are learning present continuous. First of all we are using subject, then when use first person singular subject, means when use I, this time always we are using am in a present continuous. When use I, this time use am. When use third person singular subject, third person singular subject, he, she, it, and anything names, this time using helping verb is. And then we are using are, what time we I, this time using am, singular subject, he, she, this time using is, and you, we, they, this time using helping verb are. After using this helping verb, we are using verb and plus ing, means eat plus ing, eating. Play plus play ing, playing. This is the fourth form. Then using object. I am writing a letter. She is buying a car. We are playing a cricket. These are more examples. First of all, we are using subject. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. This is the present continuous. We are learning past continuous. First of all, using subject. After subject, we are using in this tense past continuous. In this tense, we are using was and were. What time use was and what time use were? When we are using third person singular subject, this time using was, and when using they, you, means plural subject, this time using were. After using helping verb, we are using verb in a first form and plus ing, means we fourth. Write, writing, play, playing, help, helping. Then using object. First of all, we are giving example. She was writing a letter. She was writing a letter. She was writing a letter. We are playing a cricket. They are helping a poor. These are more examples of past continuous. After this tense, we are learning future continuous. First of all, we are using subject, then we are using anything subject, means singular subject and plural subject, this time using helping verb will be plus v fourth, means v plus ing. After helping verb, we are using object, means I will writing a, I will writing a letter, she will writing a letter, they will writing a letter, I will helping a poor, we will buying a car. These are more examples of future continuous. After future continuous, we are learning present perfect. First of all, we are using subject. When use I, you, they, we, this time use helping verb have. When use third person singular subject, this time use has. And verb, after using helping verb, we are using verb in a third form, means write, wrote, written, take, took, taken. Taken is a third form of take. We are using in present, past and future also. We are using verb in a third form. First of all, subject. When use I, plural subject, I and you, exceptional. This time use have, third person singular subject, this time use has. I have, verb in a third form. I have written a letter. I have written a letter. This is, I give you some more example. She has bought a car. He has helped a poor. They have spoken English. They have spoken English. These are more example. After these tenses, after this tense, we are learning past continuous. First of all, anything you use this subject, singular subject and third person singular and plural subject also. We are using, after using subject, we are using helping verb had. After using helping verb, we are using verb in a third form, and then we are using object. She had written a letter. Sorry. Then she had written a letter. You use subject singular and plural also. We are using helping verb had and verb use in a third form. In perfect tense, we are using helping verb had, past perfect. After past continuous, we are learning future continuous. First of all, we are using subject, then anything you use this subject, singular and plural also, this time use will have. Then you verb in a third form, then object. She will have written a letter. She will have written a letter. He will have bought a car. I will have spoken English. We will have learned a book. These are more examples. After this perfect, future perfect, we are learning present perfect continuous. First of all, use subject, then use have, has, use I, you, they, this time you use have, and third person singular subject, this time use has. After this helping verb, we are using been, B-E-E-N, been. After using this helping verb, we are using verb in a fourth form, means we ing. Then using object, she has been, sorry, she has been written a letter. She has been written a letter. I have been bought a car. They have been spoken English. They have been read. Read is a first form, second form and third form also. They have been read a book. These are more examples. Then past perfect continuous. First of all, use subject. After using subject, we are using helping verb had, singular and plural also. This time use had. After using this helping verb, we are using been. Then we are using verb in a fourth form, means VING. After using this helping verb, we are using object. First of all, subject. I had been in this video I am wrong. In this time we are not using writing. In this time writing. She has been writing a letter. I had been writing a letter. Sorry for this mistake. Then we are learning subject plus will have plus anything you use this subject, this time use will have in a future perfect continuous. After using helping verb, we are using been. Then using verb in a fourth form. Then object. She will have been writing a letter. In this present continuous, use a preposition also, since and for also. What time use since and for? Since is using point of time and for is using duration of time. These are more examples. First of all, 3 main types, 3, and they are also divided into 4 types. You also example doing and learning for 5th time, and you are speaking fluently. If you want to speaking fluently, you using this tense. Thank you for watching this video.